Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram typing not showing. Let's get started. First of all, open up settings. Inside settings, simply tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Scroll below, search for Instagram, then tap onto it. Just like that, simply tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. This helps you clear the Instagram cache and refreshes the app. This often fixes the typing indicator not showing in chats. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up Instagram app on your device. And just like that, simply check if the typing indicator is working now or not. If the problem continues, simply uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. If rest install fixes most account and app glitches. That's it. That is how you can fix Instagram typing not showing issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.